English Galician travel. Where is, equals.
¿Dónde está?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey traveler. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bite-size lessons. If you ever misheard the phrase as Honda Star, don't worry, you're about to nail the real thing.
¿Dónde está?
Let's have some fun and get you unlost fast. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for places and understand quick directions. Your map. English, where is, equals Galician.
¿Dónde está?
Piece by piece.
¿Dónde
Means, where.
está?
Means, is. We'll plug in places like
Baño,
bathroom,
estación,
station,
museo,
museum, and here left, right,
izquierda,
and.
derecha.
Your key phrase. Say it with me, nice and clear. English, where is. Galician.
¿Dónde está?
Breakdown.
¿Dónde
Equals where.
está?
Equals is. Mnemonic. Think on the map.
¿Dónde
Is.
está?
Mini dialogue on the street. Picture this. You, a map, and a friendly local. You, excuse me.
¿Dónde está el baño?
Local, a.
Izquierda,
Logo todo recto. To the left, then straight ahead. You, crosses, and later.
¿dónde está estación?
Local, a.
Derecha,
Después duas ruas. To the right, then two streets. You, last one.
¿dónde está el museo?
Local, zusto detrás. Pronunciation beat. Clap along for rhythm and make it stick. Beat 1, on. Beat 2, de está. Together.
¿Dónde está?
Now with rising tone.
¿Dónde está?
Up pointing arrow. Speed round.
¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está?
Direction drill. I ask, you point. Add the shrug gesture for extra charm. Q.
¿Dónde está el baño?
A.
Izquierda,
To the left. Q.
¿dónde está estación?
A.
Derecha,
To the right. Q.
¿dónde está el museo?
A.
Izquierda,
Después recto. Tip. Raise both hands, palms up, and shrug slightly as you say.
¿dónde está?
Instant friendly vibes. Culture tip. Camino and courtesy. Travel like a local and you'll get smiles for days. Pilgrims on the Camino de Santiago often start with
¿Dónde está?
to find albergues and landmarks. A tiny, por favor, and a big smile go a long way, and yes, courage sometimes comes after a bite of pulpo e fira. When in doubt, ask.
¿Dónde está?
Is your compass? Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the solutions. 1. How do you say, where is, in Galician? Answer.
¿Dónde está?
2. Say, where is the bathroom? Answer.
¿Dónde está el baño?
3. Say, where is the station? Answer.
¿Dónde está estación?
4. Say, where is the museum? Answer.
¿Dónde está el museo?
5. What's left and right in Galician? Answer.
Izquierda,
And.
derecha.
You're on the go challenge. Let's lock it in with movement. Take 2 small steps forward, one for On 1 des ta, as you say.
¿Dónde está?
Ask it 3 times today.
¿Dónde está o baño? ¿Dónde está a estación? ¿Dónde está o museo?
Bonus. Point left 4.
Esquerda.
And right 4.
Dereita.
While answering, thanks and next steps. You did great, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
¿Dónde está?
Plus.
Baño. Estación. Museo. Esquerda.
And.
Dereita.
Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-size English Galician lessons, and see you next time.